Sidespace AI is the latest AI software that's making waves, but what exactly makes it stand out from the competition? In this review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about Sidespace AI and why it might be one of the best newly released AI tools on the market today. Stay tuned till the end because I've got a lot to share with you, including where you can get your hands on this software for completely free. First off, let's talk about the core functionality. Sidespace AI is designed to streamline and simplify complex tasks using advanced AI capabilities. Whether you're in digital marketing, content creation, or customer service, Sidespace is built to automate and enhance your workflow, making your operations smoother and faster. What really stands out about this tool is its intuitive user interface. You don't need a tech background to get started. The setup is easy, and you can begin seeing results quickly. Now, one of the biggest features of Sidespace AI is its ability to analyze data in real time. Unlike other AI tools that take time to process and generate insights, this software gives you instant, actionable data. This is especially crucial for businesses or digital marketers who need to make quick decisions and adjust strategies on the fly. Whether it's analyzing traffic patterns, user behavior, or marketing campaign performance, Sidespace AI gives you the real-time insights you need to optimize your efforts immediately. Another major benefit is its deep learning capabilities. Sidespace AI uses state-of-the-art algorithms to predict trends and behaviors based on historical data. This predictive power can be a game changer for anyone involved in business development or marketing. For instance, it can forecast which products are likely to gain traction, which audience segments are ripe for targeting, or even when the best time to launch a campaign is. If you're serious about optimizing your business strategies, this is a tool you can't overlook. Sidespace AI is also incredibly versatile. It's not just for marketing, it can be adapted for a wide range of uses, from content creation and automation to managing customer service inquiries. The ability to plug this AI into different areas of your business makes it a versatile solution, especially for teams looking to consolidate tools into one platform. One of the things I personally appreciate about Sidespace is its focus on collaboration. Many AI tools are designed primarily for individual use, but Sidespace AI includes collaboration features that allow teams to work together more efficiently. You can easily share data, insights, and tasks, making it a solid choice for teams working remotely or those that need to coordinate efforts on larger projects. A feature that's been gaining a lot of attention is Sidespace AI's integration with other popular software tools. Whether you're using CRM systems, email marketing platforms, or analytics tools, Sidespace can seamlessly integrate with these systems. This level of integration ensures that you're not stuck with a siloed platform and can continue working within your existing workflow while enhancing it with AI power. Before I wrap up, it's important to note the pricing model. Sidespace AI offers a free trial, so you can test out its powerful features and see if it's the right fit for your needs. Whether you're an individual creator or part of a larger team, you can get started without committing to a paid plan right away. If you've ever been hesitant to try new AI software because of pricing concerns, this is your chance to give it a go without the risk. So, to sum it all up, Sidespace AI is a powerful, versatile, and intuitive tool that brings real-time data analysis, deep learning, and seamless integration to the table. If you're in the digital marketing space, running a business, or just looking to streamline your processes with AI, Sidespace AI could be the software you need. You can try Sidespace AI for free from the first link in the description below. After trying thousands of AI tools myself, I can confidently say that Sidespace AI is one of the most impressive AI tools released recently. And don't forget, I've got some of my recommended AI software options listed in the description as well, so be sure to check them out and see what works best for you.